Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the concept of humanism in geography. This is an important topic in UGC NET examination for geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, background, why humanistic geography? Okay, what are the importance of humanistic geographical approach? Reaction to positivism and quantitative revolution. 1950s and 1960s, quantitative revolution, spatial science dominated, geography became model-driven and statistical. During 1960s to 1970s, critique of positivism, positivist geography criticized for ignoring human consciousness and values. 1970s, emergence of humanism by U. Tuan in 1976, and he formally established humanistic geography as a subdiscipline of geography. Post-1976, philosophical diversity, phenomenology, existentialism, idealism enter geographic thought. NET key point. Humanistic geography emerged as a reaction to positivist spatial science. U. Tuan 1976 coined a term formally. Critique the dehumanizing effect of quantitative models rooted in philosophy, phenomenology, existentialism, and idealism. And humanism focus on human consciousness, emotion, values, and meanings. Okay, core concept of humanistic geography. Placing human experience at the center of geographical inquiry. Focus on human experience. Studies how people perceive, experience, and give meaning to space and place. Emphasizes subjectivity over objectivity. Emotions and values. Considers feelings, attachment, identity, and values as legitimate geographic data. Emotions are central, not peripheral. Sense of place explores the deep bond between humans and specific places. Topophilia, love of place, coined by Tuan as a key concept. Okay, key point, humanistic geography, that means geography of human experience. Topophilia, love and attachment to place by U. Tuan, rejects value and objective spatial analysis methods, ethnography, in-depth interviews, and participant observation. Space versus place, space is abstract, place is lived experience. Philosophical foundations of human geography. Phenomenology by Herschel, Heidegger, Merleau-Ponty studies the structures of experience and consciousness. Geography focuses on life world, the world as directly experienced. Idealism by Collingwood and Guelke. Knowledge is constructed in the mind. Idealist geography focuses on understanding human intentions behind in landscape creation. Existentialism by Sartre and Camus emphasizes individual freedom, choice, and meaning making. Places are experienced existentially, being in the world is central. Symbolic interactionism by Mead and Blammer. Social meaning is created through interaction. Places acquire meaning through shared symbols and social practices. Key point, phenomenology means life world, intentionality, lived experience of human being. Existentialism, meaning, freedom, being in the world. Idealism, mind constructs geographical knowledge. Herschel, Heidegger, geographical phenomenology, insider versus outsider perspective, realm. Key thinkers in humanistic geography, pioneer and the major contributions. U. Tuan, B. 1930, father of humanistic geography. Coined Topophilia 1974 and Humanistic Geography 1976, author of Space and Place 1977. Central to experience of place and space. Battimer 1938 to 2017, Life, World and Dialogue. Explored sense of place, life, world, campus concepts in geography. Life, world concepts in geography. Emphasized dialogue between insider and outsider experience. Relf 1944, Place and Placelessness. Wrote Place and Placelessness in 1976, introduced concept of placelessness, loss of distinct place identity due to modernity. David Leigh, 1946, Urban Humanism, applied humanistic ideas to urban geography, focused on meaning of landscape and urban experience. Key work, The Black Inner City, 1974. Nicholas Entrikin, 1944, Betweenness of Place. The Betweenness of Place, 1991, argued places exist between objective, scientific, and subjective, that means humanistic perspectives. Net key point, E. father of humanistic geography. Topophilia, 1974, emotional bond with place. Ralph's placelessness. Globalization, erasing local identity. Batimar, linked phenomenology to geography. Antikin, place lies between subject and object. Core concepts, topophilia and space versus place. The experiential turn in geographical understanding. Topophilia, 1974, effective bond between people and place environment ranges from aesthetic pleasure to deep rootlessness, contrasted with topophobia, fear and aversion to place, skill, fleeting sensory pleasure, deep attachment expressed in patriotism, home, love, landscape, aesthetic. Space and place, space is abstract, undifferentiated, and place is defined by human experience. Geometric and measurable, and qualitative and felt. Freedom and movement, security and rootedness. Universal, particular and unique, objective and subjective. Topophilia, love of place, 1974, space, abstract, geometry, place and human meaning. Space becomes place as it acquires definition by Tuan. Sense of place means experiential attachment. Placelessness by Ralph means homogenization of place. Okay, life world, sense of place and existential space. Life world by Levenswald. The pre-reflective everyday world of life experience. Geographers study the immediate, taken for granted world of human existence, the familiar habitual geography of daily life. Example, home, neighborhood, daily routines, familiar paths. Sense of place, multiple scholars, the subjective perception and emotional attachment that people develop for particular locations. Consist of location, locally, physical setting, sense of place, subjective feelings. Example, hometown nostalgia, sacred sites and community identity. Existential space, 1976, space as experienced in everyday existence, near, far, up and down, inside and outside, different from abstract geometric space organized around the here of the body and home. Example, home as the center of existential space. Net key point, life world, taken for granted everyday world, sense of place, location plus locally plus speed of place, existential space, centered on human body and home, insider experience, authentic sense of place, outsider view, detached and objective observation. Okay, research methods in humanistic geography, qualitative and interpretive approaches. Ethnography, long-term immersive study of a community and its relationship with place. Researcher participates in daily life to understand lived experience. In-depth interviews, open-ended conversations, exploring personal experiences, memories and meanings attached to specific place and landscapes. Participant observation, researcher engaged directly in community activities to experience place for an insider perspective, overcoming the subject-object divide. Humanistic text and art, analysis of literature, poetry, paintings and personal narrative to understand human-place relationships and geographical imaginations. Life histories, collecting biogeographical accounts, tracing how individuals develop attachment to and identity with specific places over their lifetime. Hermeneutics, interpretive analysis of text and human expressions to uncover deeper meanings behind geographic experience and landscape. Net key point, humanistic geography uses qualitative methods, contrast with quantitative positivist methods. Key, thick description by grids and hermeneutics, interpreting meaning in landscapes, emphasis on insider's perspective and subjectivity. Placelessness and the humanistic critique. Placelessness, the erosion of the unique qualities of different places through mass culture, tourism, standardized architecture and globalization, leading to a geography of nowhere. Causes of placelessness, mass tourism, standardizing destinations, chain stores and McDonald's culture, suburban sprawl, cookie cutter housing, media creating universal global taste and highways bypassing town centers. Effects of place identity, loss of local architectural distinctiveness, weakening community identity and rootedness, alienation from immediate environment, non-places, airports, motorways, homogenization of cultural landscapes. Okay, net key point, placelessness by Ralph, 1976, place and placelessness. Non-places, AG, in 1992, airports and supermarkets, insider versus outsider experience of place, authentic versus inauthentic sense of place, globalization, major causes of placelessness. Okay, this is a comparative table between humanistic geography versus other approaches. Aspect, positivist geography, humanistic geography and structuralist geography. focus, laws, patterns and models, human experience, meaning, social structures, power. Method, quantitative, structure, statistical, qualitative, interpretive, critical analysis. Views of human, rational actor, feeling, conscious being, product of structures. Key concepts, spatial patterns, sense of place, topophilia. Class, capitalism, power. Philosophy, positivism, phenomenology and existentialism, Marxism and structuralism. Example, central place theory, space and place by U.1 and Harvey's social justice theory. Okay, net key point, humanism versus positivism, key contest for net MCQs, humanistic subjective, positivist objective, structuralism focus on power not experience, all three are anti-positivist in different ways, feminist geography also draws on humanistic ideas. Okay, now there are some criticisms and limitations of humanistic geography as well. Overemphasis on subjectivity. Critics, structuralist and Marxist. Critics argue humanistic geography is too subjective and difficult to generalize. Findings from one place cannot be easily applied to others. Neglect of power in politics, Harvey and Gregory. By focusing on experience and meaning, humanistic geography tends to ignore structural inequalities of class, race and gender that shape human experience. Lack of methodological rigor, quantitative geographers. Qualitative methods can be seen as less rigorous, making it difficult to verify findings or replicate studies and weakness compared to positivist methods. Idealist tendency, Marxist geographer. Humanistic geography risks idealism, the view that ideas and consciousness determine reality, potentially downplaying material conditions of human life. Limited scope. Humanistic geography often studies small-scale local experience and may fail to address large-scale global processes and macro-level geographic phenomena. Net key point, David Harvey criticized humanism for ignoring capitalism and power. Structuralist, humanism too individualistic. Lacks of generalizability, findings are place-specific. Later, feminist geography synthesized humanism plus power critic. Direct Gregory, idealism critic is net exam, important exam point. Okay, direct Gregory of idealism critic. Okay, these are some net exam practice MCQ. Question number 1, who is coined the term topophilia in geographical literature? Correct answer is option number B, U.1. Placelessness 1976 was written by, correct answer is option number C, Edward Ralph. Which philosophical tradition is most directly linked to humanistic geography? Correct answer is option number C, phenomenology. The concept of life world Lebenswelt was introduced by, correct answer is option number B, Herschel. U.1 topophilia plus space and place 1977, Ralph placelessness 1976, Batimer life world sense of place, humanism rooted in phenomenology and existentialism, humanistic geography 1976 and landmark year. Okay, humanistic geography restored the centrality of human consciousness, values and experience in geographical inquiry after the quantitative revolution. Concepts like topophilia, sense of place, placelessness and life world remain foundational in cultural and social geography to this day. It opened geography to qualitative interpretive methods, laying the groundwork for cultural geography, feminist geography, and postmodern approaches. Despite criticism of subjectivism and neglect of power, humanistic geography fundamentally transformed how geographers understand the human-place relationship. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Nibir!